here is a Copilot that is sitting on team, which can help me prepare a meeting with Fabrica, right? So it'll go look through all your email, and it'll create like a meeting summary, or it'll help you like prepare for a meeting.
Yeah.
And
this, as I even described before, this is not just the email, but it would automatically parse through the contract or any documents or anything shared in previous email. So it would scan everything, it would summarize everything, index everything, and basis that would respond to you. Like, so within few minutes you can actually prepare for a meeting which was scheduled like say 15-20 days ago, and now if you have to come up for a meeting, just 30 minutes before, you just type this prompt and it would create curate the best of the information basis whatever grounding it could do with whatever data was available, right?
yeah,
Yeah,
absolutely. Yeah, Abhishek.